Hi Flawless Beauties. If you would like to know how I achieve this beautiful look on this Janet Collection Retro Style Afro Wig from samsbeauty.com, then keep watching, ladies. Thank you. See you guys in my next video. And be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Okay, and I have taken her out of the package. And this is how she came with the little, net around her. So I've taken her out, and this is what she's looking like out of the pack. I haven't did anything to her, just took her straight out of the pack. You see that? Because it's a U-shaped wig. So I'm going to show you guys the inside of the wig, and I'm going to tell you a little bit more about the specs of this wig. It does come with multiple combs in the inside. It comes with two, well actually three right around the U-shaped parting, as you can see. And it has two right here close to the frontal part of your head. And it also has one comb right here in the nape part of the wig. It has a comb, and of course it has the adjustable straps, and that's it. And of course the inside is just your traditional kind of netting. I'm turning inside out, kind of netting type cap under it. And of course the curls are natural kinky curls. So I'm going to sit her down. I'm going to tell you a little bit more about her real quick, and then I'm going to put her on. Okay, she is a retro glam and vibe U-shaped part 4A Angus wig by Janet Collection. I have her in the color 1, of course. And so the curls are made to look like one of these. It depends on what you get. And so on the start card, it shows that this is a 4A. So that's what the 4A curls are looking like on this unit. And so, of course, you don't have to worry about, in my opinion, curling her. But it does say BP Heat Flex Fiber, safe up to 360 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, so so you can put heat to this unit. And so, again, this is the unit. This is her. This is the unit. And so you can put heat to her according to the start card. And it is an undetectable, natural, kinky look, easy and simple way. So basically for me, I feel like this is an easy, simple, put her on, get out the door, low maintenance. It looks natural, like you just have a head of hair and you just kind of shampooed and decided to just let it air dry, and your hair is naturally kinky curly. That's what the vibe that I'm getting from it right off the back. I can tell you that. So how to install it. It has instructions and everything on the back and how to care for it. And what else? I felt like I was missing something else. So yeah, so that's about it. That's all that I see. I'm just trying to make sure I'm giving you guys all the specs on this unit. Okay, so that's it. So now it's time for me to try her on. I'll put her on, and let's get started with that. And then that way I can see what I need to do to her. So I am wearing a wig cap under this unit. So I'm going to go ahead and take this unit off. I am wearing my wig cap. And I know I'm going to have to do something to this wig cap. But I just want to put her on first, so you guys can see on camera exactly what she looks like on me. Okay. So this is her on me. I haven't did anything. She's a U-part wig. So I got to go and fix that, of course, to make it look natural. So I'm gonna do that, and I'll be right back, and I'll tell you guys all what I think about it. So if you want to exit now, sis, cool, but I would love for you to stay and check out my review on what I think about this unit. And so if that's what you want to do, then stay tuned. I'll be right back. Okay, sis, I'm back. I went and took my wig cap off, and I tried to do something off camera with it. Did not work. And as you can see, I have my wig cap off, and this is my hairline right here. As you can see, I just slicked my hair back down. And so I think I'm going to just try to do something with it by pulling mine to the front like that to kind of have a little more wild look to it, because what I was trying to do, it did not work. So let's go ahead and let me get to cutting. Okay, let me see what I can come up with. So I think I want to kind of keep the U part and just kind of fluff it up a little bit here. And just kind of go with that type of vibe, because I'm going to be wearing her up a lot in different styles anyway. So I think I'm going to just kind of hide the U part and just keep mine kind of fluffy like so. I think that's the look I wanted to just kind of create a little bang effect. So let's see, what can I come up with? I just wanted to kind of look a little like in my, so that's all that I'm gonna do real quick, and I think I'm gonna like it like that, and just kind of fluff this out in the top. And I think that's what I want. I think I want that kind of messy kind of what I'm looking for, messy metro Afro wig, curly, natural, kinky, and that's what I want. So all I did is, you see, the U part is still right there, and that's all I did. So I think this is gonna work for me. You know, I think that's what I want. I've seen things like that many a times, and I've liked it. I've seen styles like this many a times. So that's what I want, sis. So that's what I come up with, just that quick. That's what I like. I like it. It's kind of messy, you know, just kind of, you know, kind of in there, and that's what I want. So I like it. I like it. So this is what I've done, and this is what I've done to my U-part wig, my retro glam and vibe wig. So yeah, that's it, sis. That's all that she wrote for me, and I'm going to be putting this one up a lot in wraps and things like that. So real quick, what I think about this, I love it. I really love the retro messy look of it, the natural feel of it, as if though like it was just my own hair. I shampooed and conditioned it, and I just put some curl texture on it, which is what I did, because I tried to do that. By matter of fact, I'm gonna share this with you. I did do some curl ooh la la on mine and tried to leave out some of my hair off camera and parted and all that. That didn't work out, but I can use some of this on it to kind of give it that more, you know, whatever look. And then this smells really good. So yeah, so I did do that a little bit off camera, but other than that, this is going to be a low maintenance wig. It's going to be one of those messy kind of big head. It is big head friendly. I will say that that's one thing that I forgot to say. It is a big head friendly, small head friendly. I did use the adjustable straps in the back. So what do I hands down think about this, so we can wrap this tutorial up, review up rather. I love this Afro wig. This is one of my go-tos. I can see now, I can absolutely say I love. Thank you so much. Phenomenal. Thank you so much, Sam's Beauty, for coming through. Thank you so much for Sam's Beauty for sending me this beautiful unit after, of course, I purchased her. I really like this unit a lot, ladies. I really do. She is going to be one of my go-tos. I love the color. I love the style. I love the soft texture of the hair. I must say it is soft in texture, and it's bouncy. It's one of those really bouncy, flowy, curly type Afro wigs. And so I would say, hands down, I give this unit a 10, and I will give it 2 thumbs up. It is one of my go-tos, I can say already, because I am going to most definitely wear her a lot this fall season as well as this winter. And I think she's summer friendly as well. I think she's just all year round friendly. Okay, that's what I think. I think she's a great unit to have in all your units of having. If you want to have you something natural that looks like your own head of hair that you just shampooed and just conditioned and just went out the door, this is one of those, I would say, hands down. I think it's beautiful, and you can use the U-parting if you like. I decided not to use the U-parting because I just like this way better. But like I said, I think it's going to be great for me to wear it this way. I think it's going to be great for me to wear under my head wraps and just pull some out and just, you know, have that whole up and do look and everything. I'm going to be bringing you guys some wrap tutorials and things like that on this unit in the future, so you'll get to see what I'm going to be doing with this unit like it's my own head of hair, honey. Okay, this is giving a curly, this to me is giving a curly vibe to a new look of how to wear afro. It is like Afros have arrived, if you will. So yeah, that's my take on it. I really love it. Hands down, I can't say anything bad about this unit. I think, thanks Sam's Beauties for coming through. I am pleased. It's being my first unit I'm trying on from them. I really like it. So yes, she goes into my pool out. She's gonna go over there. Yes, she is. I like her a lot. Like her a lot. And y'all, I want to excuse me for saying my own company. I was about to say my own company. I'm so used to saying it so much, so it just flows naturally off my tongue, which is a good thing. So anyway, so let me give you guys this Sam's Beauty coming through beautiful retro curly kinky Afro wig view 360. Okay, so this is obviously the front. This is the left. This is my right. And this is the unit in the back. So yeah, honey, I love her. She is very, 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 very nice. And I put this on it. The unit did not come, by the way. It does not come with any smell. None of the units that came from samsbeauty.com came with any type of smell. They all smell new and fresh and unused and just nice quality. They came in on time. This unit was on time when it came from Sam's Beauty. And I really, really am pleased as a new customer of them. I really thank them so much. They came through. So everybody that hit me on to samsbeauty.com, I thank you so much. Love to all of you. Thank you so much for letting your sis know. Hipping me to a newfound, honey. I am in love with samsbeauty.com. Okay, so I'm going to leave the link down below so you can go and get all that perfect information. If you want to go over and purchase a unit, this unit will be where you can find this unit and go directly to the Sam's Beauty link and get this unit. The price was phenomenal. I'll tell you that. I won't tell you how much it was. I'm never going to tell you how much the units are that I review. You have to go and see them for yourself. The price is very, very, very affordable, okay? I'll tell you that. It's very, very coin friendly, okay? So that's my take on it. I love it. Would I order again? Yes, I would. Perhaps in the same color, perhaps in a different color, perhaps in all colors that they offer, because I really, really love this unit. I can't say anything bad about it. And because even though it came smelling good and everything, because I love this scent, I'm going to keep putting this on there because I like how I can just smell it so good every time I move my head. But the unit smelled great, okay, already. So this is just going to make it smell even better, okay? So I just want to wrap this up. So I hope you guys like this tutorial, this review, whatever have you want to call it, tutorial on how I quickly just cut it into a little bang, and that's it, and kept the U part and then just pulled it forward and hit it. So this is my take on it. It's a great unit. Go and get it. If you like this, sis, go and get it. I'll leave the link down below directly to where to go and find it on samsbeauty.com. And until next time, sis, do hit that like, subscribe, share, and comment down below on this video. If you have endured this long with me and you like what I've told you about this unit, go and get you one in your half units, okay? You will not be displeased. It is going to be so versatile, so many ways you can wear her, okay? So I'll probably stick me a little flower in her sometimes too. It's going to be cute. That just came to me. But I'm just thinking off the top of my head, y'all. Let me get off here because I am so feeling this unit. I can't stop looking at myself. So anyway, I'll see you guys in my next review, my next video. Put that notification bell on so you won't miss a video when I upload it, sis, okay? Thank you so much. I love you guys so much. See you guys next time. Use your spiritual gifts because why? God gave them to you. Follow me on Facebook and follow me on Instagram. You'll see the links down below for business inquiries. You'll see that information down below too. So I am your sister, Phenomenal Flawless, signing off. Peace.